Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300. This has a red exterior and a silk beige interior. It does have a sunroof. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and C300 badging. Power open and close of the trunk. This does have the Burmester sound system. And blind spot assist. Memory seats with driver door controls, driver seat controls, and the driver's seat. Steering wheel. Now, mileage on this vehicle, 8,562. And it does have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation, and backup camera. And let's see, climate controls, and center console here as well. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.